Hey everybody, Varun here from Language Academy. Guys, very excited to have one of my favorite students, one of the person who has worked so hard, Vishwesh, 8 each in PT, 87 overall. Congratulations, Vishwesh, very well done.
Thank you so much, sir. It's a mixed effort. I have done a lot, and thanks to you guys as well. That's similar efforts and similar collaboration, which has led to my 8 each.
That's right, Vishwesh. I've seen you working hard so much in the lab. I remember you took around 2 weeks off from your work as well. Vishwesh, we were struggling a bit in reading, right?
Yeah.
What do you think? What was the reason why you were struggling in reading and now you have got around 82 in that? What do you think? What is important when it comes to your reading?
Actually, when considering specifically reading part, I was not sure that how much how much marks come from speaking section, and that's all of them are interrelated. So I was specifically focusing on the blanks itself, but my major misconception was the read alouds, which I was missing a lot, and reorders. They were very tough for me, and especially the reading and writing blanks weren't easy as well.
That's right.
Because they were my grammar was weak in the beginning, and I tried a lot, but there were also some mistakes. But as thanks to you guys,
That's right. Very important. I remember that he was working so hard when it comes to your reading blanks, but we were missing a few points in read alouds, right?
Yeah.
Very important. If you're missing out in reading or any other section, you need to look for other sections as well. You need to see which task contributes towards that particular section. Because if you're missing out in reading, read aloud may be the reason, highlight correct summary or highlight incorrect words may be the reason as well. Very important you understand the marking criteria and focus on things which are important. Vishwesh, let's be practical. You had an option to study at home as well, right? You have got the portal, you've got the mock test, you have got online feedback available. Why did you choose not to study at home rather than sit in the lab, have your coffee, and then practice in the lab? Why do you think it is better to practice in the lab?
Firstly, the lab atmosphere. Lab ambience gives us a lot of impacts while practicing. When we are practicing at home, it's definitely more comfortable, but it isn't like you are pushing yourself in that ambience. You are always comfort zone. You are always a bit cozy, and that would make you a bit lazy. And secondly, the lab ambience is extraordinary. The user interface that you guys have, it's brilliant. It gives me instant feedbacks, and I can discuss my own. If I have any of the issues on spot, I can ask any of the tutor. Especially you and Priyanka ma'am and Bhumika ma'am have been very helpful. And by your expert guidance, it was very easy and quick for me to get my mistakes and to solve them.
That's right. I remember he used to practice a lot, and I remember whenever you used to tell me that yes, I haven't practiced for a while, your performance was bit slow as well, right? Bit down.
Yeah.
Very important you sit and practice in the lab so that you can get instant feedback, because when we are practicing by ourselves, we think we are doing this right, but you never know if it's actually right or not. Very important you practice in the lab. You have that environment where you're not distracted, because at home we have a lot of distractions. We study for a while and then we have got a number of things which push you not to study. Push yourself in an environment where you're not that comfortable, but you can focus on your study and you're going to nail it. Vishwesh, any final piece of advice for students out there? What are the things which they need to focus on to get this particular score?
Being a student and being from the hard phase, I can say one thing, you definitely need expert guidance, just like Language Academy, and you also definitely need a good ambience to study. You also need a good user interface to get your desired score easily. And it's not that difficult thing to achieve, but it requires a lot of concentration to focus on. So my advice would be not be much tensed, take it easy, but keep on practicing regularly, and you need to be consistent in your progress.
That's right. Very important. Doesn't matter whatever you do in your life, you need to be consistent. If you're not consistent, you're not going to see the results. You practice for 3 days, then you disappear, then you practice for 3 more days, you are going to stay the same. If you practice consistently, you are there every day giving all your efforts in to whatever you are doing, you're practicing, you are going to see the result, you are going to see improvement, and PT is all about improvement. It's not that you have to practice to see improvement. If you're just practicing but there's no improvement, no point of doing that. Practice, see what your weakness is, work on the same, have some improvement. Once you have got improvement, take a few mock tests like he did, and once you're comfortable, go and crack your exam. Congratulations and all the very best for your NAATI now.
Thank you so much, sir.
That's it from this video, guys. Make sure if you are missing by a few points, don't give up. Analyze what mistakes you are doing. Make sure you make a list and then have an action plan in place. Focus on the weak areas, but make sure you keep on practicing on the things which you're doing fine, so that your strength doesn't goes down. And once you are well prepared, go and crack your exam. If he has done it, if I have done it, you can do it as well. Make sure you're consistent and you give 100% of your effort. Varun from Language Academy, I'll see you very soon.
Now crack your PTE sitting at your home. Language Academy brings to you the smartest AI-powered practice portal, with instant scores and feedback for all the tasks. Along with the practice questions, access free sectional and full mock tests, and get instant scorecard with in-depth feedback and analysis. For more hidden secrets, tips, strategies, and proven templates, click the link below and subscribe to our video course today.